Hi, my name is Wendy Myers. I'm a health and nutrition coach in Los Angeles, California. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about estrogen dominant syndrome. This is a profound problem that's ravaging the United States and causing cancer and causing all kinds of problems, hormonal problems in women and men. Whether you're aware of it or not, you're constantly exposed to estrogenic chemicals known for causing hormonal imbalance, disorders, and death. These chemicals are found in the air that you breathe, products you use, food you eat, and water that you drink. And these chemicals act like estrogen, causing estrogen disorders in women, feminization and sterilization of men, obesity, and some of the deadliest cancers. They act like estrogen even though they're not estrogen. In the past 40 years, the rates of estrogen-related disorders and cancer in both sexes have reached epidemic proportions. And we see for young women, their age of puberty has gone down even to 8 years of age. And all these problems are caused by estrogen dominant syndrome. And some of the symptoms of estrogen dominant syndrome are, impatience, irritability, PMS, migraines, fibroids, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, fibrocystic breasts, weight gain, breast cancer, polycystic ovarian disease, autoimmune conditions, infertility problems. In men, it causes low sex drive, impotency, erectile dysfunction, infertility, gynecomastia or male breasts, weight gain, enlarged prostate, and testicular cancer. And a lot of some of the causes of estrogen dominant syndrome is your diet. If you eat a lot of, factory farm meats, conventional meats, these are going to have hormones and antibiotics and estrogenic chemicals in them that you really want to avoid. You want to avoid conventionally raised dairy in favor of organic dairy. The regular dairy has hormonal substances in it. It's called RGBH. It's a synthetic growth hormone that will contribute to estrogen in your body if you eat it. Other problems are a lack of exercise. You need to exercise to metabolize excess hormone, estrogens, hormones like estrogen. Additionally, improperly done hormone replacement therapy. If you just use estrogen without a progesterone, progesterone is an antagonist to estrogen. You're going to have way too much estrogen in your body, and it's going to cause problems. That's why, typical hormone replacement therapy has caused breast cancer and other cancers in studies. Additionally, stress also contributes to excess estrogen. Overloading your liver, if you're drinking and you're smoking and you're having a real good time, you can be compromising your liver function, and you need your liver to be functioning properly to metabolize excess estrogen. Additionally, obesity can cause excess estrogen because fats, it's not just sitting there laying around, it's a very active substance, and it produces estrogen. So the more fat you have, the more estrogen that you're producing. Additionally, we're exposed to xenoestrogens in our environment every day. These are chemical substances that mimic estrogen. Unfortunately, companies are coming up with there's 100,000 chemicals in the environment that have been produced by companies. There are thousands more being produced every year that mimic estrogen, namely pesticides. So if you eat any vegetables, any meats, dairy, these animals have been eating pesticide-laden foods. If you're consuming any kind of conventional produce, you're going to be eating lots of pesticides that are acting like estrogen in your body. Additionally, caffeine, if you have too much coffee, coffee also acts like estrogen in your system. Canned foods that are lined with BPA, the bisphenol A, that additionally is a hormone disruptor that acts like estrogen in your body. You want to avoid canned foods. You want to avoid laundry detergents that have any kind of fragrance in them, any kind of fragrance in your shampoos, your laundry detergent, your perfumes, all contain phthalates. Phthalates are, again, hormone disruptors that they wreak havoc in your body, and they cause excess estrogen in your body. They're hard to avoid, but it's it's worth getting educated about phthalates to avoid them at all costs. Another thing is parabens. Parabens are a preservative. They're in every kind of conventional shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body wash. They just make the product last for years and years on the shelf, but they disrupt your hormones and they cause your body to have excess estrogen. Additionally, medications like birth control pills contribute to the problem. There are just so many xenoestrogens, and I have a whole list on my website. I have a blog post called Estrogen Dominant Syndrome. You should check it out to get a full list of all the products and all the chemicals and all the foods and plants and supplements that you should avoid or that can help you to reduce excess estrogen in your body. It will go a long way towards helping you lose weight, towards avoiding cancer, and improving your overall health. You can find my blog, Estrogen Dominant Syndrome, on my website.